Are you taping it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you pooty?
That's the candy. Mama!
No. Like, turn around at Ewan and look in the camera. Let Daddy tape you.
Just give me one.
Got it. Eat it, Alyssa. Put it in your mouth. All the way. The whole thing. Suck on it. It gets better. Suck on it. Keep sucking on it. Is it better? Talk to Daddy in the camera so they can hear your voice. Tell Daddy it's sour.
What you staring at?
You.
Say it's sour.
Okay, Ashley, don't get any closer.
Sour.
Don't. Go look at your candy. Ashley.
Sour.
Go look at your candy.
To it.
It's good after it's sour, huh? It's good later.
Oh, what is this big piece?
Let me see. Throw it over here.
It's sour.
What a faker. She's a faker.
Honestly, you can stuff all over your candy. Now just, y'all sit down and look at your candy. Tell us what you got. What'd y'all get?
I got. Where's these?
Just, I don't know, actually. What's that stick there, that blue stick? Right in front of you. What is that?
Look at this.
Listen, you can't have everything. Remember, you're going to have one thing.
This is strawberry. Oh, I'm gonna have one thing too.
Listen, what are you supposed to be for Halloween? A what?
Princess.
Are you a pretty princess or a bad princess?
A pretty. Not
And what are you, Ashley?
a Esmeralda. Fine. Goodies.
Lisa, you got pantyhose, not socks.
Can I put my pantyhose off?
Go ahead.
The candies, baby. Orange.
I wonder what those are.
They're the salty things that. Way under there. Let's start on this road in. No. 1, 2, 3.
Don't,
Stop touching on my kid off.
Listen, you gonna step right on your donut.
Yep, cake. Ooh, I'm gonna eat it.
See, that's not a donut, that's a cupcake.
Candy. Ooh, I'm gonna eat it.
That's Mommy's right there.
Nope, not Daddy's either. I'll put it somewhere else and you guys can't get it. Right here, buddy.
Listen, don't do that.
Another
Open
one.
it. Don't eat it. No, you're gonna get all of your pretty dress. Go put that in the kitchen. Stand up and put it in the kitchen.
Listen, you even got more in here.
Put it in the kitchen
Oh,
now.
I'm gonna eat that kind.
Actually, now put them back in her bag. That wasn't very nice
I
of you.
want it. These
Okay.
are all sour things.
Listen, go get a tissue.
I'm doing it.
Did you scare a lot of kids, Frank?
Mm-hmm.
Who did you scare?
A lot of kids.
How was Sullivan? Oh, that's my child.
Oh my goodness, look out in front of her dress.
Mama, look, another chocolate bar. I can't see. You guys can have a little one.
Chocolate on front of your dress, listen, real nice. You
Mama,
put
I know
chocolate.
these are just chocolate butters that things. Can't see it.
On very front of your dress.
Ah.
Let's go over there, so Daddy.
See how many candy I got? See how many? Got this a lot. Like again. Not again. Mommy, not again. What is this little thing? Now I gotta put it under Daddy's wire. Look how many I got. Do you see how many? This wasn't for last time. I was Halloween. Halloween.
Look at that ball, Ash. What's that ball?
What ball?
By your pile.
Right
No,
here?
over there in your other pile. Turn around. Turn
What's all that
around.
noise?
This?
You don't hear it?
Turn around. Right down there, a ball.
Ball. Ball. This is a
Open that back door so you can hear it
chocolate.
then.
I get
Or
it.
is that the air that has that?
The twisters.
Ashley.
What?
What a faker.
Frank, they're sour. Have you tried them?
Let me try one.
Try one. They're very sour. Let Daddy try one, Alyssa.
Let's
Give one
can
to
I
Daddy.
try one more?
Wait, let her give one to Daddy. Alyssa, quit stepping on her candy.
No, again.
So, did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
What?
I
She's
know.
so
Ash is faking big time.
she's so dramatic. She's trying to be a movie star.
Alyssa's acting too. Boy. Say, you got me, Ed.
Ooh ah ooh ah.
Say it, Ash.
You got. You got the partner. You got the partner.
It's getting dark. Ashley, hurry up because I'm going to give you a quick bath, okay?
Oh God, she got my finger. God, that won't be.